Hey, we have a TRAK, CNC, tool room, and manual lathe. Model TRL 1440EX, serial number 122DH446507. Machine is new in, was new in 2012. It's 14-inch swing, 40-inch centers. It has a D14 spindle with 1.56. hole through. He's moving the pulse generator / hand wheel. You have X and Y, X and Z hand wheels. Machine also has spindle speeds from 60 to 2400 RPM. You can also rapid from the control. As you can see, also the machine has a splash guard coolant, splash guard for the coolant and chip guard. All right, we're going to run the spindle. 1700 RPM. Spindle brake. 225 RPM. This machine, again, is very quiet. It's all original paint. The waves are in very nice shape. 170. Okay. That's the low RPM. So you saw from 60, we went up to 1700 RPM. You saw the machine rapid, you saw it use the hand wheels and feed. That's the tailstock, by the way. Machine has, that's a quill on the tailstock. Number 3 Morse taper, tailstock. And hey, thank you for watching our video.